Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half. Open and fold the other side in half. Open and fold it in half diagonally. Open and fold the other side in half. Open and bring the sides together like this. You should get a square shape. Note that this side should be facing downward. Fold this part onto the center line like this. Make the same fold on the opposite side. Next, fold the top down onto the center line. Reopen the folds. Then, fold the sides inward like this. You should get this shape. Turn it over and fold the middle point back like this. Reopen the folds and repeat the last step. When you're done, you should have this shape. Press down on both sides. Then, lift these parts. Make this fold. Be sure to keep the sides aligned. Do the same on the other side. Then, open this section and make a crease to get this form. Do the same on the other side. It should look like this when you're finished. Now, turn your origami upside down. Take this tip and bend it back toward the center like this. Turn it back over and fold this point to the center. Fold this edge to the center of the point here. Fold the other edge the same way. Now, fold the opposite point in toward the center. Repeat the same 2 folds with this point. Once you have this shape, make sure that your origami is facing the right direction. Fold both parts in half like this. They will make up the ears. Then, fold the whole thing in half. Reinforce the creases. Fold this point downward. Then, open this section and fold it inward like this. Fold the point up so that it aligns with this section. Reopen and fold inward. You'll notice that the shape is starting to resemble an elephant. Open here and fold these 2 points inward toward the central line. Fold the small point down so that it sticks out. This is the tail. When you're finished, close the folds tightly. Fold this point inward and down. Then fold this edge in toward the center here. Repeat this fold with the other edge. It should look like this when you're done. Since the trunk is too long, fold it up. And then twist the tip like this.